Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a Coachella / festival inspired makeup look. Coachella weekend 1 has already happened, but Giddy Fest is coming up. And I decided to do a colorful look based on a lot of looks that I've been seeing over the past week. I saw a lot of color, like a lot of color. So I decided that I would take all that color and put it on my eyes. I decided to do a colorful cut crease with some wing liner. And I even brought the colors down here so you guys can actually see all the colors playing on my face, and I really like the way the look came out. If you are interested in watching this video and seeing how I got this look, please continue. But before we begin, I'm gonna ask you guys for a huge favor, and I'd really like it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love for you guys to join my family here on the Deola Adebiyi side of the internet. Like, we love living a good life but on a budget, and I would love for you guys to join me and my little family here. Also, before you continue, please do not forget to click on the notification bell. That notification will give you notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Never more, never less, only when I upload a new video. So please do not forget to click on that bell so that you'll always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. Alright, I zoomed you in so you guys can really see the eyes, because this is again a high, oh god, your eye is coming out. This is again a very eye heavy look, so I'm gonna be giving you guys an in-depth, so you guys can see what I'm doing. First, I'm gonna take some concealer and then I'm gonna pop that on my eyelids like so. We need some nice base. We need a good base of concealer. Just blending this out with my flat foundation brush. So the first palette we're going to be taking from is the Afrique by Juvia's Place palette. By this time I need an affiliate code because I use this palette so much. Like, I love this palette. And the first shade we're going to take is the shade Aya, which is this beautiful yellow shade. I'm going to be taking this Evita Joseph multi buffing brush, and I'm going to apply this on the inside of my eye. Why I really like this Aya shade, because it's like literally the first yellow that I've used that actually showed up on my skin. Now the next shade I'm going to take is Côte d'Ivoire, which is this blue shade right here. And I'm going to be taking it on my Evita Joseph Deluxe Blender brush. I'm going to take the shade and put it right next to the yellow. I'm going to be going back and forth between Aya because I want to blend where they meet really well. Then last but not the least, I'm gonna go into my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette, which has seen better days. As you can see, the lid has broken. I've already hit pan on a couple of my favorite shades. I'm gonna take my Sedona Lace blending brush and dip into a hot pink. Now I'm gonna take this pink and really extend it. I want you to see, just to extend all the way there. I'm gonna take the brush that I used for the blue and blend where the blue and the pink are meeting. I'm not adding more blue, I'm just blending it. And what I'm gonna do also is bring it down here. This kind of look, I really don't mind if my eyeshadow comes a bit down, because again, it's for a festival. It's supposed to be creative, it's supposed to be fun. If you are really looking to, oh my god, I have to keep everything in line and in check, that's not that kind of look. This look is literally go ham with color and have fun. Now this obviously looks like a mess right now, but don't worry, we're gonna spruce it up a bit. I want to finish off the bottom eye before I cut the crease and do what I want to do. So I'm gonna take the blue, which is Côte d'Ivoire, because I really want the color to really blend out well. Don't forget to blend where your colors meet. And then we gotta go in with the yellow. So I'm just taking the buffer brush and applying the yellow into that inner corner area, basically mirroring what's on top at the bottom. Now I'm taking the brush I used for my under eyes, dusting that place basically, so it kind of blends into the skin well. So I'm going to just cut the crease with my concealer, and it's better for you to cut the crease one eye at a time. And what I've done is like a winged liner shape. As you can see, some concealer went up there, but I'm gonna fix that later. Now the shade I'm going to use to set and mattify this is the shade Kissy from the Afrique by Juvia's Place palette. It's a very light brown, very nude, looks very nude on me, and that's what I'm going to use. So this is literally a last minute addition. I'm going to take this Estee Lauder Emerald Vault double wear stay in place eye pencil, and I'm going to put it, it's like bright emerald green, I'm going to put it in my waterline. Now I'm going to take some liquid liner. This is the Yanga Beauty Carbon Black liquid liner, and I'm going to draw a winged line, which is going to literally shape this line, this wing that we've created here. Now I'm going to put on mascara I'm going to put on first the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Then I'm going to put on a couple of coats of the Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome. And this is the finished eye look. I will not lie, I really do not like how this eye came out, and it's because when I was cutting the crease, I had to stop filming. I had to run downstairs and help my mom with something. So it's a bit janky and a bit weird, but we have a finished eye. I'm gonna finish the rest of the eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. I have finished the left eye off camera. The left eye is definitely better than the right eye. I really don't know what happened doing the right eye. I mean, I did have to go downstairs and help my mom while I was cutting the crease, and I think that kind of affected it, but the left eye is so much better and I love how it looks. So let's finish off the rest of the face. I'm going to be taking my Guerlain Terracotta 4 Seasons bronzer in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to take the blush. I'm going to put blush today because a colorful look deserves some blush. I'm going to take my e.l.f. contour kit and I'm going to take the highlighter in it, which I think is a really good highlighter. I've already hit pan on it already. Now, I wanted to actually use the e.l.f. Pink Diamonds highlight, but I was like, this look is already colorful enough. I don't need to add pink highlighter to it. Of course, I'm going to use my large fluffy powder brush to blend everything into the skin. Now it's time for the final part of the look, the lips. I'm gonna take this Milani pencil in fuchsia. You know, you would think that I would go for a nude lip, but I'm going for like a nudie pink lip. I really want to play with pink. So I'm gonna first lay down this color on the lips. Then I'm going to take the High Shine Lip Stain from House of Tara in the shade Cleopatra. And that is it for the look. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I did go and get into some, you know, some mess around here, but I think I fixed it. And now I have this beautiful, colorful cut crease eye look. I am really excited for Giddy Culture because I'm going to be attending. I don't know if I said it to you guys, but I'm doing a documentary on one of the artists performing at Giddy Culture. His name is Barely Any Hook. If you're interested in rap music, and I mean good rap music, I'm going to put a link to his SoundCloud below so you guys can listen to his music before the documentary comes out, which will be, I don't know when, I will not lie. I don't know when the documentary is going to be out. I'm excited to attend Giddy Culture Fest. I'm excited for this weekend. This weekend seems to be, it seems like it's going to be a very magical weekend for me and my life, so I am excited, and I hope you guys follow me on Instagram so you can see everything I'm going to be getting up to and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much once again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys on the next I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.